Hello guys, welcome to Technical Trainings. This is my tutorial number 3 in opencv. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to discuss on phase detection, how to detect the phase using this code. Okay, har cascade. Okay, we're going to use har cascade. Okay, I will discuss what is that har cascade, and we are going to you can say detect the phase from a particular image. Okay, and probably in next video I will show how to detect the phase using a video also. So let's get started. So guys, what is phase detection? So is a computer technology being used a variety of application that identifies human faces. Okay, in digital images, face detections also refers to the psychological process by which humans locate and attend the faces in visual scenes. Now you know everyone that there are some phones, mobile phones, smartphones that are unlocked using your face detection. Okay, that is called face lock. So that is nothing but also you can say one type of face detection also. Okay, and there are other technologies like face detection, locks, okay, security systems and all, your eye detection. Okay, so like this we are going to see today tutorial on based on that thing. So let's see. So first I want to discuss what is har cascade, guys. So the har cascade frontal face default XML is a har cascade. Just understand, a har cascade designed by opencv to detect the frontal face. This har cascade is available on GitHub. A har cascade works by training the cascade on thousands of negative images with the positive image superimposed on it. Okay, so what is the meaning of this sentence? I will explain. Now see, har cascade is nothing but you can say the file, okay, that contains lot of data based on faces. Okay, there are many types of har cascade files. I will show you. So basically, what it means har cascade files are used to detect the faces in your projects also. Okay, so I will show the official website is this opencv. So you can get this on GitHub also. So you can see your edge detection. Then you can say if you want to detect any vertical edge or you have to detect any horizontal edge, that is this feature. Then it's line feature, then our 4 rectangle feature and many more. Okay, you can see over here the eyes are detected using horizontal this edge. Okay, and vertical is the nose is detected, or you can say the forehead is detected. So also we are also using the same thing over here. In my video I have uses the har cascade. Okay, as you can see the har cascade file over here which I am having. I will share all this file in my GitHub also. You can download from there. Also the code will be provided in the link. Okay, so let's see. Just understand, har cascade is the file that contains lot of data. I will show over here one thing. You can say we are using frontal face default. Okay, so I will show this thing. See, so these are some XML values, guys. Okay, we cannot read by your normal way. They are XML values that contains the detection of age, like this thing. These are some images that are negative images. On these images our original images are superimposed, and from that they are detected the eyes and face. Okay, so let's move to the code. I am just importing numpy, then cv2, then I am just taking that file cascade classifier. Basically they are called cascade classifier. Okay, and I have just given the path. Then I am working on the same directory over here. Then I have just created one variable to read that image. Okay, particular image. Then gray to after reading the image I am just converting that image into grayscale image. Okay, why grayscale image, guys? Because grayscale is nothing but image that is white and black. You can say combination of white and black. But if you're working on RGB, that is red channel, green channel, blue channel, so that will make something difference. Okay, so it is very easy to work on grayscale. That's why I'm just doing the changes over here. Okay, now after that I have just you can say make one variable. In that variable I am just using this command face underscore cascade dot detect multi scale. okay, and I'm giving the image of gray that I've converted over here. Now what this factor means, okay, now what this factor means, so basically detect multi-scale is nothing but the factor from your whole image, okay, from your whole image it will detect the area where the face is located, okay. I'm not telling that it will detect the face, it will detect only the area, surrounded area. And after the surrounded area we got from that image, we have just applied this for loop. Now this for loop is nothing but to make a rectangle, guys, okay. So to make a rectangle, we know there are length and breadth, okay. We take as h and w, that is height and width, okay. So I've just created img is a variable, then I'm drawing the rectangle using this command, okay. I will go on shift tab. So rectangle, you can say image, then starting point 1 and 2, then we have to give the color, okay. So I'm giving starting point as x and y, and where to end that point, so x plus w. So w is nothing but the detected line, guys, okay. In output you will come to know what is that. And y plus h, so y will give me the axis from this line to this, okay, and x will give the line from something like horizontally this from this, like this, okay. And this is nothing but my color, guys, okay, and this is nothing but the thickness of that line. If I show you the image over here, I will show you the image. Suppose I'll take person, okay. I'm just giving the person name that I have in my this file, okay, image file. I have person as an image, so I will just go over here, execute this, okay, and after that I will execute this. Now you can see, guys, from that particular image my whole face is detected, okay, and the for loop has drawn a rectangle, okay, on my face itself, on the particular face itself. Now I was talking about this coordinate, my rectangle starts from here, x plus w and y plus h, like that thing, okay. So basically the meaning of that line is this, okay, and this color can be changed using that you can say these arguments. Wait, I will show over here this thing. If I change this to 255, okay, and if I execute again, okay, I have to just close it, and if I make 255 010, if I execute, so you can see the changes in the color of that box, okay. Let me make some different thing over here. Let me close this. I have to just again, sorry, okay. So basically that will give me the thing over there that it can change the color, okay. Now in this particular code we have just detected the face. Now let's see how we can detect the eye. For basically the code is same itself, okay, same code with R file of eye. So I've just written this command over here, added this command. Again these lines are same, only after for loop of my this thing faces I have just taken for eye also, okay. The for loop of eye is in for loop of face, okay. Don't make mistake of that, the eye is different and face is different. Particular first I am detecting the face, then I am detecting the eyes, okay. And this thing are nothing but color change of gray, okay. Then this is thing, this I have discussed upside, okay. And after that detecting the eye, then the rectangle for that eye I have made it from this line, okay. Rectangle for that eye. Now this is the default thing, okay. You can change, you can just vary the color itself and the thickness itself. I am not changing anything. I will just show you using this thing. I will just change the file using person, okay, and I will run this code again, execute, and finally execute, okay. Sorry, just I have to remove this. Now you can see, guys, my face is detected, but my eyes are also detected over here. You can see, I will just zoom in if it's possible. I will show full screen. Now you can see over here my eyes are also detected. Okay, so this is the thing that OpenCV provide you in you can say ready-made manner. You can use any images to detect face and eyes from a particular image. So it's pretty much simple guys to detect something like this using OpenCV. So I will change the image. Let's see what happens for image person 1. Let's see. Person 1 is not available. Person 2. Let's see. Hope it will be. Let me see what exactly. Person 2. And I will execute this. Okay. So this is a Virat Kohli image. Now see. The only. Sorry. You can see, yeah, now the both eyes are detected, also the face is detected. So this is nothing but OpenCV face detection guys. It's pretty much simple, just you have to understand the code, and you can use this particular code in your projects also to detect the images that you pass on one by one, like that thing. So hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so in particular video I've discussed about face detection and eye detection. Hope you liked the video. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you're subscribing, please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much for today. I will come in next video with new topic. Okay, thank you so much.